Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name is Tom, and in today's tutorial we're going to take a look at the min built-in function on tuples. Basically what the min built-in function will do is return the lowest value of an object. So in a case of a number, integer or floating point number, it would be the lowest value number. In the case of a string, it's going to be the lowest on the alphabetical order. So if a string starts with B, the next one would be C, so B would be returned to us. So let's go ahead and take a look at all this so it makes sense to you. Let's create a tuple. A will represent that tuple. I'm just going to put a bunch of numbers in here. Doesn't really matter what we put in here. Oops. Something like that. Alright, there's our tuple. Call it, looks like that. Then we do a min A, and it returns a min value to us, and that's 2. We got actually two 2's in there. Alright, so that's a min. How about with some strings? Let's do B is equal to, and we'll do rain, because it's freaking pouring here. We'll do snow. It's definitely not snowing. Hail. Fog. That's fog. Sleet. And wind. There we go. Alright, so we got some weather. And we're going to find the lowest on the lowest string in alphabetical order. So we'll do min on B, like that, and we get fog. Alright, fog is the lowest on the alphabetical order. F comes before all these, so it returns fog. That's how we use the min built-in function on tuples. If you have any questions, please let us know over at MasterCode Online or leave a comment below. Have a good day.